बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मदिन व आलिहि व इत्रतिहि बियदि कुल्ली मालूमिन लका। Students, I hope you are preparing well for the initial test of PMA 145 and PN Cadet Batch 2020 Alpha. And this lecture is for you people, and I'm trying my best to prepare you for the initial test of PMA and PN Cadet Batch 2020 Alpha. And if you are serious and watching my videos, inshallah you will get wonderful success. Now comes to the question answer session. The first question is, who received you dash the airport? The answer is at. Between which two countries is the 49 parallel line boundary? Students, the answer is Canada and USA, United States of America. Next question is, integral of cos x. This question related to maths, and you have to prepare maths as well if you want to get good marks in initial test. The answer is sin x. What was the nationality of Alfred Nobel? What was the nationality of Alfred Nobel? Swedish. He belonged to Sweden, and the nationality of Alfred Nobel was Swedish. To whom was the title Kalimullah given? The answer is Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. What is the name of Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam in the Holy Quran? Students, the answer is Ruhul Quds. Tan bracket 360 minus x bracket close is equal to minus tan x. Who is the current president of Pakistan? The correct answer is Dr. Arif Alvi. When was the first Nobel Prize awarded? 1901. 1901 is the correct answer. Integral of cos x is equal to sin x. Sin x. Which is the longest railway line of Pakistan? It is from Karachi to Peshawar. Which country of Asia became nuclear power in 1974? India. When did Pakistan become nuclear power? 28th May 1998. An atom bomb tested in Chaghi, Balochistan. Students, I hope that you are understanding well. Which is the maternal city of Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Makkah Mukarramah. Who was the ruler of Hyderabad state at the time of independence? The answer is Asif Jahi. On which river was the Mangla Dam built? Jhelum River. What was the nationality of Alfred Nobel? Swedish. Swedish is the nationality of Alfred Nobel. When is the International Labour Day celebrated? The answer is 1st May. 1st May of every year. What was the real name of Titu Mir? The real name of Titu Mir is Sayyid Mir Nisar Ali. The next question is, under whom leadership did the Muslims come to Sindh in 712 AD? I repeat the question. Under whom leadership did the Muslims come to Sindh in 712 AD? The answer is Muhammad bin Qasim. Who is the largest producer of coal? China. Which is the highest mountain peak in Pakistan? K2. Length 28,250 feet. And 8,611 meter high. What is the range of K2? Karakoram range is the range of K2. Sin 2x is equal to what? The answer is sin x cos x. When did Sulh Hudaybiyah take place? 6th Hijri or 628 AD? When was the War of Independence fought? 1857. The question is, what is the second name of K2? Godwin Austen. Godwin Austen is the second name of K2. Which alliance is the NATO? The answer is military alliance. In whom era was the Iraq conquered? Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. What happened in 1928? Nehru Report was proposed. Now fill in the blanks. Where did you receive it? Dash. Where did you receive it from? Namaz-e-Istisqa is offered for which purpose? For rain. What is the oldest game in the world? The answer is polo. Who was the Vice President of Pakistan in the history of Pakistan? The answer is Nurul Amin. Who is called the second Adam? Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. What is the capital of Sri Lanka? Colombo. Between which two countries does the Yellow Sea lie? The answer is China and Korea. By whom was the first satellite launched? USSR, and USSR stands for Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. Who wrote War and Peace book? The answer is Leo Tolstoy. What is the highest military award of Russia? Order of the Patriotic War is the highest military award of Russia. Gentlemen, which country is called Land of Cakes? The answer is Scotland. Where is Mohenjo-daro located? Mohenjo-daro located in Ladkana. District of Sindh, Pakistan. Now the question of English, and that is the question of filling the blanks. I'm going home dash 2 weeks. For 2 weeks. On the way he met me dash chance. By chance. With this, thank you. And in the end, pray with me. First of all, Durood Sharif. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. May Allah bless our Kashmiris brothers and sisters with independence and prosperity. May Allah solve their problems. May Allah give them independence from India's barbarism. May Allah grant Kashmir freedom from the atrocities of India. Ameen, summa ameen. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa alihi wa itratihi biyadi kulli malumillak.